My name is Devon and this is H's World. In this video, we're taking this hoodie and adding some personality to it. Stay tuned. Currently, this hoodie has no personality. It really has nothing going on for it. So we're gonna have to change that. So let's get this DIY. Is it DIY? Yeah, you can classify it as a DIY. Let's get this DIY project off on a good foot by giving it a crop. Simply cutting off the waistband and the pockets. Normally I use a seam stripper, but for today I'm going to be using a heavy duty purpose scissors. The reason for the scissors is simply it cuts it like butter, and that's about it really. No, but for real, it really just cuts it like absolute butter, mate. At school, I wasn't allowed to use scissors, as demonstrated in this video, because the first cut was way too high for the crop, so it's making it look a bit jiggly jaggedy, but it works out eventually. At this point, I was really in my bag because I decided to cut the sides of the hoodie. The reason for that is because in my head, I was getting just straight poncho vibes. Poncho, poncho, poncho. So we turned the hoodie into a poncho / hoodie now. At this point, I'm absolutely fuming because the stencil and spray paint was not working. It looked faded, it looked absolutely horrific. It just looked absolutely what's a good word? Can't say that word. Well, I can, but I shouldn't. No, but for real, it looked really bad. But as always, I made it work eventually. If anyone's going to do this for themselves, I would suggest, you know what, it's never a suggestion, it's straight common sense. Don't do it on a windy day. But in my case, I was very impulsive or impatient, probably both, impulsive and impatient, and I just wanted to get it done. Out from the pits of desperation came a moment of absolute joy by me deciding to give the sleeves of the hoodie a frosted tip. Pause for a second. That sounds nuts, but that's a different conversation for a different day. Composure. Alright, I'm back in 3, 2, 1. I'm back. By me deciding. Alright, I'm back in 3, 2, 1. this point, it'll be fair to assume that I'm finished. But we need to add one more little thing to bring it all together. Here is another compelling argument for why I wasn't allowed to use scissors at school. It looks like a homeless man would wear it, but see, now I really like this now. Okay. I don't know how we did it, but we got to a point that I'm happy with this one, because at a moment in time it was looking really ropey, but we got it done. This video shows with a bit of perseverance, a whole heap of luck, you can make something out of nothing.